Thank you very much. It's not the signature written today that preserves democracy. It is the character of the leaders who hold the pen. So as we are holding the pen today, it's not just signing, but it is the character. If campaigns are characterized by incitement or subversion, the process is compromised long before the first ballot is cast. I urge all candidates to cascade the spirit of this peace accord down to their grassroots party structures. Let your followers understand that leadership won at the expense of human life and public trust is a hallowed victory. Through the Interagency Consultative Committee on Election Security (ISS), robust proactive measures have been institutionalized to guarantee the safety across all the 2,445 polling units and at the collation centers. Let me reiterate our stance against vote trading, voters intimidation, and thuggery. Any individual or group of people seeking to subvert the sovereign will of the Ekiti electorate will be met with firm, unyielding hand of justice. The people of Ekiti State have historically preserved a legacy of intellect, honor, and civility. I call on you to protect this reputation you are known for in Nigeria. Let this election serve as a master class in democratic maturity and an encouraging prologue to our grander projections for the 2027 general election, where our manpower requirement will scale to a massive 1.4 million active staff. This for us as INEC, the obstacle election in Ekiti State and even in Osun State will definitely be a mirror for Nigerians to be able to measure what is going to happen in January 2027. So that is why it is important and it is incumbent on every one of us to ensure that we have a seamless electoral process during this election. By signing this peace accord, we are not only affirming our dedication to non-violence and mutual respect among all stakeholders, but we are also sending a strong message to our citizens that democracy strives when peace prevails. Each one of us has a part to play in this process, and I urge all political parties, their candidates and supporters to adhere to the principles of this accord. Let us work together to ensure that the upcoming election is remembered, not for division or discord, but for its spirit of unity and pursuit of common goals. Let us demonstrate to the world that Ekiti State is a beacon of hope, resilience, and democratic values that we have been in the past. Let us work together to ensure that June 20th is remembered not for division, but as a triumph of the Nigerian spirit. May God bless our collective efforts and continue to guide our nation towards enduring peace and democratic process.